Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah and Hazrat Abu Saeed performed prayer in standing posture in a boat. Hasan Basri rahmatullah alayh says he should perform prayer while standing, provided you must not cause inconvenience to your fellows and keep on circulating with it. Otherwise, perform the prayer while sitting. Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports that his grandmother, Hazrat Mulaika, invited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to a dinner which was specially made for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam ate it. Then he commanded, "Stand up so that I may lead you in prayer." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, "I moved towards a mat which had become black for being used for a long span of time. I sprinkled water on it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up. Then I and an orphan made a row behind him, and an old woman was behind us. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in 2-unit prayer and then departed." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 380.